Meaning of Foreign Office.
Foreign Office.
Foreign Office.
Foreign Office.
Foreign Office. The term Foreign Office typically refers to the government department responsible for a country's foreign affairs. This can include matters related to diplomacy, international trade, and global security. The Foreign Office is usually headed by a country's foreign minister or secretary of state and can have a significant impact on a nation's foreign policy. Its primary role is to promote and protect the country's interests abroad while maintaining positive relationships with other countries. The Foreign Office is a crucial component of any country's governance structure in today's interconnected world.